Today we are stepping into journey of transforming small corner of our home into warm meaningful spaces. Beautiful home is not just wall and furniture. Home is emotion, home is memory, home is the place where our heart breathe. But before we begin, let me tell you a little story. There was a girl named Alina. Alina lived in a very simple house, not big, not filled with expensive thing, just ordinary home. But Alina beloved something. Beauty does not come from what you buy, beauty comes from what you create. One day, as winter approached, Alina noticed that the corner of her home felt empty, lifeless. So she decided to give them warmth. She did not buy a furniture, she did not order expensive decoration items. Instead, she looked around her home, her garden, all things forget to year, and slowly, one corner at a time, her house began to glow. Today we are going to do the same. Choose any quiet corner beside a window, beside a curtain, or even near a lamp. Place single comfortable chair or floor cushion. Add soft throw blanket in warm colors. On the floor, place a small round rug and two or three books stacked neatly. Place a small candle or lamp nearby. Light, softness, and silence. These become your retreat. In Alina home, this was the place where she would sit every evening, reading, reflecting, and breathe. Every home need a touch of nature. Take three small plants, place them together in different heights level, or take a mirror, one on a small stool, one on the floor, one hanging from a macrame holder or jute rope. Add one wooden tray with a pine cone, little stone from nature, a scented candle. The corner becomes alive. Plants don't just decorate, they heal. Alina said, where I water my plant, I feel like I am watering my heart. So this is true. We all have memories, photographs, letters, tiny things that hold stories. To the small wall or shelf, hang 3 to 5 photos with small frames or jute clips. Add your favorite quote or vase on a small paper sheet. Place a glass jar filled with Chinese note of gratitude of prayers. Add a warm fairy lights across the frames. This corner become a place of reminder where we come from, who we love, what we dream. In Alina home, this was the corner where her grandmother pictures hung, a place of love and memory. This is a small tray corner often on the kitchen counter or dining table. Place a wooden tray, add a beautiful cup, add a jar of cookies, add a small vase with one or two flowers. This corner invites you to pause, to make time for yourself, to stop rushing, to taste your life. This corner is unique because it's hold things you made with your own hands. Crochet ornaments, handmade paper flowers, jute craft, mirror, pine cone decoration, recycled jar turned into vase. When you display things you create, you display your soul. Alina had one corner like this filled with small handmade decoration. Whenever guests came, they did not admire the thing that admitted her heart. Home decoration is not about money, not about trends, not about impressing others. It's all about love. It's about presence. It's about turning space into warmth. The comers of your home tell the story of you. So today, choose one corner, just one. Give it love, give it softness, give it life. Because when one corner glows, the whole house begins to feel alive again. And so does the heart that lives inside it. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel. God bless you all. Take care.